Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Chime Credit Cash Advance, a new feature offered by Chime, a popular mobile banking service. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the Chime Credit Cash Advance, highlighting its benefits, and providing practical examples. To start, it is essential to understand what the Chime Credit Cash Advance is. This feature allows eligible Chime Credit Builder secured Visa credit card members to access a cash advance of up to $200, which can be used to cover unexpected expenses or emergencies. To be eligible for the Chime Credit Cash Advance, you must have a Chime Credit Builder secured Visa credit card and have made at least 12 consecutive on-time payments. You must also have a minimum credit limit of $500. Once you have met the eligibility criteria, you can access the Chime Credit Cash Advance feature through the Chime mobile app. To do this, navigate to the Credit Builder tab, click on the Cash Advance option, and follow the prompts to request a cash advance. The cash advance amount will be transferred to your Chime spending account, and you can use the funds to pay bills, cover expenses, or transfer to an external account. It is essential to note that the Chime Credit Cash Advance has no interest charges and no fees, making it a cost-effective option for managing unexpected expenses. To repay the cash advance, you can set up automatic payments or make manual payments through the Chime mobile app. It is crucial to make timely payments to avoid any negative impact on your credit score. Best practices for using the Chime Credit Cash Advance include only borrowing what you need, making timely payments, and monitoring your credit utilization ratio. By following these best practices, you can effectively manage your finances and maintain a healthy credit score. In conclusion, the Chime Credit Cash Advance is a valuable feature that provides eligible Chime Credit Builder secured Visa credit card members with access to emergency funds. By understanding the eligibility criteria, accessing the feature through the Chime mobile app, and following best practices, you can make the most of this feature and achieve your financial goals.